Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you all are well. Today we are going to do our workbook page number 16, in which we match the capital letters with their small letters. Before doing our work, let's sing a phonic song with me.
Ants on the apple, balls are bouncing, caterpillar coughing, dolls are dancing, elegant elephant, fireflies flying, girls are giggling, hunters are hunting, ink in the ink pot, jelly beans jumping,
Okay, well done. This phonic poem helps us in recognizing the alphabets and their sounds. Now, we revise the previous work so that this worksheet makes us easy for us. Now, revise with me. A apple, A aeroplane, A ant. B ball, B bag, B book. C cat, C coat, C clock. Do you know which alphabet is this? Yes, it is D. D duck, D desk, D doll. Now say with me E egg, E elephant, E eye. F for frog, F fish, F fan. Okay students, now we have to complete our workbook page number 15 and 16, in which we have to match the capital letter with the small letters. First, see which alphabet is this. Yes, it is capital D. We have to find out the small d and we have matched them with a straight line. Now move to the mangoes. We have to find out the small d. Is this a small d? No. Is this a small d? Yes, this is small d. We have to match capital D with the small d with a straight line. Now draw a line starting from the capital D and match it with the small d like this. Now move to the next apple. Which alphabet is written in it? Yes, it is F. F. Now find out where is the small f. Is this a small f? No. Is this a small f? No. This is a small f. Now we join small f with the capital F with a straight line like this. Now see which alphabet is next. Yes, it is A. Now find out where is the small a. Is this a small a? No. Is this a small a? Yes. We find out the small a. Now we join the capital A with the small a with straight line like this. Now move to the next letter. This is C. Where is the small c? Yes, it is there. Now we join capital with the small c. Which one is the next letter? Yes, it is B. Now find out where is the B bar. Is this a small b? No. Is this a small b? Yes. We have find out small b, so we join them with the straight line. Now our last letter is E. Where is the small e? Okay, only one is left, so we join the small e with the capital E with the straight line. Now you have to complete this workbook page number 15 and 16. Okay, we have done our workbook page number 16. Now you match the capital letters with their small letters on your workbook. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.